all the pieces are put together, and the process is really run as intended, as a completed and unified whole.
Okay, great. I think that's a really great point of comparing the cost of making a change to the value that you get out of it. You know, how much is it going to save you? How much more are you going to be able to do? I think that's a great point. Another question we have here is, if you have a database, how long does it take to migrate a database to a new system that's going to be more comprehensive, more robust?
Well, that depends obviously on every situation, but probably the answer is somewhere between longer than you would like it to and a lot shorter than you might think it could take. And it's highly dependent upon which data systems, it's dependent upon how many, it's dependent upon how clean is your data. We had a client recently that had 4 different data systems they were trying to consolidate onto a FiniQuest platform. And they had tons of dirty data spread across these 4 different systems. So it was rather complicated, but at the same token, it wasn't nearly as expensive and it didn't take nearly as long as one might expect. So each situation is somewhat unique, and I can't put an actual date or time stamp on it, but as a rule of thumb, saying somewhere around 4 weeks to convert data and somewhere around 4 to 12 weeks to integrate all your data and systems is not an unreasonable time frame. It can be shorter if your data is really clean, your systems are really defined, you have a clear understanding of some of your terminology, and it can take a little longer if you have a very sophisticated or complicated system.